In this video, we'll see the three mostly used Excel functions in a real-time daily basis on the office purposes. Let's see. Here we have a table contains the first name and last name. I want to combine the first name and last name and get it the full name. Let's see. Just copy paste first and last name. Press enter or Control E, or else drag it to the down. Click on this icon. Click on this flash fill. Here I want to get the uppercase, that is the first name. I want to get all these names and get into a capital letters. Here we'll use as a uppercase, upper function, that is equals to upper, open parenthesis, select this cell, close parenthesis, enter. Now drag it to the down. Here we can see the result, the names, the letters what we get into the capital letters of the full names. But I want to get all these letters and get into a lower cases, that is on small letters. Let's see, type equals to lower, open parenthesis, select this cell, close parenthesis, enter. Now drag it to the top. Here we have a result that we got the letters into small letters from this capital letters using a lower function. Here I want to get the date and time at the time using the now function. This type equals to now, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter. If you can notice here, we got the date and time of this today's date and of the current date by using a now function. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.